happy to be out. Oh yeah. So they get their nails trimmed and weighed, and the vet will look them over good. If you can afford to take your birds to the vet twice a year for a checkup, I highly recommend it. If you can't, I totally understand. Money is tight. Anyway, I have a package today with a really special knife. So I think I'll be opening that later, and as nice as the weather is, if it's like this tomorrow, it's mountain time. Mountain time. I think it's supposed to be nice tomorrow. I wanted to go today, but I gotta take the birds. They're more important. So that's what we're doing. We're taking the birds today. Get that done. And yeah, I'll open the knife. I might do it while I'm sitting here in the car when I get out of the vet. It's like 61 degrees today. Holy crap. Woohoo! Gotta enjoy those warm days while you have them. Yep. So we're almost at the vet. Oh yes, they love music. My birds love music. So this is what it's like when you go to Iowa with two bungees in the back. Except Rocky's sitting in the front seat today. I play music and they chirp their heads off. I keep it pretty warm in the car for them too. Have to. Oh, we have a dog. All right, we have arrived. Now I gotta haul 2 cages in. And the nice part about it is these are good vets. He does birds, so hard to find vets that do birds. And look what time it is, and we're going to head in. And they always help me out with both cages, so that's nice. Techs are really nice here. This is a Buffalo Veterinarian, so good place. Good girls. Good girls. Rocky. Rocky's doing okay. She got a little stressed out when we were at the vet's. They had a great checkup, lungs, heart, feather condition. Everything was really good. Rocky will be 9 in July, January, so they had to have a checkup. I just like to make sure everything's good with them, because Rocky is my, I don't know, everything. She's my dear, sweet bird, and I love her dearly. So, and I love Zoey too, but they got their nails trimmed and they got their weights good. So happy to have a vet that sees birds in Buffalo. He comes from Gillette, but he comes over here to see birds. So, told me I was doing a good job with him. That's good. Glad to know. Rocky is a little tired because, yeah, she got stressed out. She got away, flew around the room. We had a hard time catching her. Well, that's stressful. And then they had to work on her, and yeah. So they let her go in the cage, and then we kept an eye on her for a little while, and she's good, and she's back home, and she's ate and drank already. So a little stressful day for them. Hoping. Oh, I got an update for the weather. It's supposed to be very nice the next couple days, in the 50s, and I should be able to go up to the mountains and do a fire. Oh yeah, looking forward to that. So it's past time to go to the mountains, and I want to go up so bad. I wanted to go today, but these guys are more important. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye.